guys, it's Bigfoot, and today I'm exploring Romania. Mountains, villages, and maybe even a castle or two. Let's go! Listen to that.
Hey explorers, Bigfoot here, hi. Welcome to Bucharest. These streets have seen centuries of history. Wow, the cobblestones here are buzzing with history and life. Bucharest is full of surprises.
Sweet, fluffy, and perfect for a morning snack. You gotta try this.
Check out this architecture, Vasi. Every detail tells centuries of faith and artistry.
Riding Bucharest's tram is an adventure on its own. Bumps, turns, and all.
Romanian markets are bursting with color and flavor. Transylvanian. You can practically taste the culture.
Nature meets the city here, a perfect escape after a busy day exploring.
Romanian street art is alive. Each wall tells a story, makes you stop and stare.
Bucharest, you're busy, beautiful, and unforgettable. Onwards to the mountains.
These mountain trails are perfect for a Bigfoot workout. Preg, fresh air included.
Look at this castle. Neo-Renaissance magic perched in the Carpathians.
Every door tells a story. Imagine the royalty that passed through here.
Step by step, every floor reveals a new view. Totally worth it.
The ceilings, the chandeliers. Oh, feels like stepping into a fairy tale.
Springtime here is gorgeous. Perfect for nature lovers and photographers alike.
The town looks tiny from here, but the charm is enormous.
Local cheese is creamy heaven, a taste of Romanian mountains.
Golden hour turns Peles Castle into pure magic. Wow.
Peles Castle, you're a gem. Time for more Transylvanian adventures.
Finally, Dracula's castle. Or at least the legend of him. Imagine knights and kings roaming here. Gives me chills.
From above, it looks like a storybook fortress. Epic.
I might try this on for Halloween. Just saying. Swords and armor. Feels like a medieval movie.
Even the streets here have tales to tell.
The scenery outside is even better than inside. Nature wins.
Handmade crafts are perfect for souvenirs. Support local artisans.
Bran Castle, you've been legendary. Time for the fairy tale towns.
Sighișoara feels frozen in time, but so charming.
This tower tells more than time. It tells history.
From above, it's like a postcard come to life.
Here's where the real Dracula was born. Fascinating.
A coffee break in a centuries-old square.
Perfect.
Local crafts are amazing. Centuries of skill in every piece. Evening lights make this town magical. Fairy tale vibes.
The view from the top
Absolutely breathtaking.
These walls have stories from the Middle Ages. Incredible.
Sighișoara, you're a medieval dream. Next stop, epic mountain roads.
Transfăgărășan is unreal. Curves, cliffs, and thrill at every turn.
From above, it looks like a ribbon carved into the mountains.
Adventure mode on. Carpathians, you're beautiful. Every step here feels epic. To Mainz, perfect for explorers.
Check out these mountains. Romania is giving me views for days.
Guys, the Carpathians. Look at that fog. I feel like I could get lost forever. This is insane.
The view? Totally worth the hike and drive.
Transfăgărășan! You're legendary! On to Maramureș villages next.
Mirror lakes everywhere, Ted. Feels like a fantasy world.
Golden hour on the peak sticker meets. Picture perfect Romania. Iud feels untouched by time, Alzane. Every gate tells a story.
Look at this craftsmanship. These wooden churches are centuries old.
Local markets here are full of life, Strunian, a peek into Maramureș traditions.
Every cut has meaning. Maramureș artisans are incredible.
Voronezh is called the Sistine Chapel of the East, if I said. The colors are unreal.
Look at these paintings, Akla. Each tells a story from centuries ago.
Humor Monastery isn't just beautiful Compreg, its art speaks to history.
Every mural here shows stories of faith and life centuries ago.
Bucovina, your monasteries are magical. Let's head to the Danube Delta.
Next stop, the Danube Delta.
The Danube Delta is a paradise for birds and wildlife.
Look at those pelicans there. Danube Delta is Europe's secret wildlife gem.
These delta villages are living traditions, life on water.
Romania. Your mountains are endless adventure playgrounds.
From above, it's like a green labyrinth. Stunning.
Transylvania's countryside feels like a fairy tale, a bale. So peaceful.
Brașov blends history and mountains perfectly of Mian. Wow.
Sunset on these peaks is unforgettable too. Romania, you wow me.
Romania, your history, nature, and culture are incredible. Until next adventure.